I'm here with Jeffrey Walls, and we're at the Knoxville, Tennessee Lokar Performance Manufacturing Facility. Let's take a tour.
Absolutely, man. Let's check it out. Right here, this is our shipping department. Everything you see going out comes through here, whether we're packing out full pallets of product or shipping out individual made-to-order shifters. So our manufacturing is broken up into different assembly centers. Over here, we have all of our shifter assembly. So everything from painting the knob and assembling the knob to putting the lever and building the body assembly, all that occurs here. It's packed out and ready to go for the customer. We'll do all of our engine dipsticks, and we'll go over here and check out our trans dipsticks and the cable assembly.
Cool.
So as you can see, Sam, we produce all of our cables in-house, whether it's throttle cables, kickdown cables, brake cables, hood and trunk release kits, your shift indicator sensors. All that's done right here in-house, feeds down through assembly here, packed out, ready to go.
That's crazy. I can't believe how clean this place is.
It's fantastic.